We are designing a regulated DC power supply using an online website. In this, all the components required for designing any circuit is available. Here I am selecting the components which is required for a regulated DC power supply, and I am constructing the circuit. First I select a AC input source and I draw that. After that I am giving the AC input values, like maximum input voltage is 230 volt, it is a main line value, and then frequency 50 hertz and phase offset as 90 degree. Now I am adding a transformer, step down transformer, because here we are using 230 volt input AC signal with 50 hertz frequency. It must be stepped down, so then only it can be used for a DC power supply. After completing the transformer section, now we need to rectify that AC signal to a DC signal. So I am constructing a full wave bridge rectifier using 4 diodes. So I am choosing active components diode. Now the AC signal from the step down transformer is given to the full wave rectifier. In one terminal we are grounding, and in the remaining terminal of the full wave rectifier we need to use a capacitor to filter the AC signal so that it will be converted to DC. Here I added a polarized capacitor with 1000 microfarad capacitance and a maximum reverse voltage of 50 volt. Now I construct the fourth section of the regulated power supply, that is the transistorized series regulator circuit with short circuit protection. After finishing the regulator circuit, now I am adding a voltmeter to check the output. So here I am using a voltmeter or a scope probe, which is available in this website designing. Using this, we can check the output regulated DC power supply. Now we get the input AC signal graph. At the output section, if we right click, we get a view scope option. After that, we get the output regulated DC signals graph. Now looking at the graph itself, we can say that the input AC signal 230 volt is filtered and regulated, and the output we get as a DC signal of approximate 5 to 6 volt. Now I draw outline boxes for each section of this regulator DC power supply, and I am naming them. First section is a transformer section, that is a step down transformer. Second section is full wave rectifier section. Here we have used 4 diodes to rectify the AC signal. Third section is a capacitor filter. Fourth section is a transistorized series regulator with short circuit protection. Final section is the output section. I am label it as a output. Successfully design of regulated DC power supply is done. Here we get perfect regulated 5 volt DC output.